Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 944. Delete the columns to make sorted. It is asking us to find out how many columns that are not sorted. For this given array, we don't have to do anything to convert it to this grade because this is naturally two-dimensional grade. So we can just go through this grade line by line, column by row, column by column. So first of all, this is a grade. The second, we just do a loop, go through all elements in this grade. But the only thing I want to do special here is I'll loop the column first instead of row first, because that would be made that could make the code easier and clean to find out the column that is not sorted, and then stop loop. Whenever we find out there's a column that two elements are not in order, we just add 1 to the result. That will be how we resolve this problem.